Hey, what's up you guys? It's your boy A. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be trying to flip some items and make some money. I was able to buy a few items and the goal is today to list them and offer up, let go, Facebook Marketplace, and see if we can make some money. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the items that I bought and how much money I paid for those items. So I have all these books right here, and for all these books I just paid $10. So these are some of the books that we have. We have a book for newborns. We have books that are fiction. And for example, what I'm aiming to do is like sell these two books for $5. I have here a Star Wars collection, and what I'm trying to do is sell all this for like $10. I can sell this one for $5, and we have some kids books, and we're gonna try to sell these for around $8. You know, you need to ask for more than the actual price that you want to sell for. Let's say for example, if I want to make $5, I'm gonna list them for $8. So when people try to negotiate with me, I can give them that discount, you know. So, and when I was looking for these books in the thrift store, what I was doing is I was trying to look for books that were like the people that were popular books. For example, these are Harry Potter books. So I'm gonna try to sell these for $10, but if people are willing to give me $5, I'll sell them for $5. This is the Chronicles of Narnia and the Avatar. So we're also gonna try to sell these for $5. And some of the other items that I have that I'm gonna try to sell is we have shoes right here. So we have Converse. For all these shoes, I just paid $3 for each. So I'm gonna try to sell these Converse for like about $15. They're used, they're in really good condition. This is a really popular brand. We have some Lacoste shoes. These sometimes go for like about $100. So I'm gonna list these for $50 just to see if someone is willing to pay it. And then we have we have some heels here. These are Steve Madden. We're gonna try to sell them for $30. And then we have here Michael Kors sandals from Marshalls, and they're brand new. So we're gonna try to sell these. We're gonna list it for $20. And then right here we have selfie sticks. I was able to get these selfie sticks for $1 each. So I'm gonna list this for $5, and together it will be $10. This, just to try it out, this game I got it in the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna list it and see if people are willing to give me $5. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take pictures. We're gonna take pictures of each of the items. So that's one down. Okay guys, so we're done taking the pictures. You see, that was fast. Just do it like that, nice and easy. So the trick is, we're gonna start with the 3 applications. We're gonna have the 3 applications open in our phone, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just copy and paste. That's what we're gonna do. What I'll do is I only do offer up and let go, and then I'll do the Facebook Marketplace, and I'll let you know guys how it goes. I don't want to make the video too long, so let's just do offer up and let go. But definitely post it anywhere you can post a Poshmark. You can also post it on eBay, you know, and things of that nature. So Okay, so now we're just gonna, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go here, pose, allow. So we're gonna select photos. So I finished listing every single item in the OfferUp app. So I finished posting everything, every single item I posted. So in total, it was 17 items. So now all we have to do is wait on these people to message me, negotiate with these people, come up to an agreement, and then either deliver the item or go meet up with them in person. And let's see how much money we can make. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in one of my previous videos, we went and we listed a whole bunch of items on OfferUp, and thank God we just got a sale. So the sale that we made was for the Converse. As you guys remember, we have listed this at $20. So we got a sale, and how it works is you get a notification that you got a sale, and if you want to accept the offer. So I accepted the offer. It was for $20. OfferUp is gonna take some money because of the service fee, so it comes down to a total of $18. Once you accept the order, they send you an email with the shipping label and everything. It has the instructions there. So basically the instruction, you need a plain box. And what I did was I went to Dollar Tree and I got this plain box for $1. You also need tape. I'm using clear tape. It's 2 inches, and the instructions also say that you need padding, newspapers, grocery bags, double wraps, in order to keep the item from touching the outer box. So it also says to give the box a shake to make sure that item doesn't move, and if it moves, you need to add extra padding. You can use newspaper. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get like padding or bubble wrap and things like that. So then after that, all we have to do is flip this and attach the item to the box, and then you drop it off of your local post office. So this is what we're gonna do. So I use this wipes in order to clean the shoes, and that's how the shoes are looking. They're looking really clean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put the shoes here with this paper that I got from some shoes that I bought in Steve Madden. So that's what we're gonna do. We do that. You can also use gift paper too. This is some gift paper that I got from the Dollar Tree for Christmas, and we're just gonna wrap it some more. Okay, so that's what we do. We put them here. I'm gonna use some more paper actually to prevent it from moving. I'm gonna put it in there. We're gonna close it, and it doesn't really shake a lot. But if you guys want, also you guys can add some of this foam. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put some of that here, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna tape it. Okay, and what happens next is we take it to the post office, and after they scan the tracking barcode, you're able to withdraw the money from the bank. From the OfferUp app into your bank. You're gonna be able to withdraw the money. So it took me three weeks in order to make a sale. So there you have it, guys. Now we're just gonna go to the local office. So I'll see you later, guys. Okay, guys, so we're here in the post office. We're just gonna go drop it off. Here you have it, guys. The person already received the shoes, and they were sold at $20. $18 was deposit in my bank account. So far so good. We got one sale. Let's see how many more sales we can get. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.